What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a few months since we uploaded back in December, but we're back. And today the STI does need an oil change. I think the last time we did it was back in September. So it's right around 6 months and just over 5,000 kilometers. So we're gonna do that, and the perfect opportunity for us to get the Fumoto drain valve. Now the cool part is I'm not gonna be doing the work. I get to sit back and relax today because I got another mechanic to do it. This girl. First oil change on this STI. Are you ready?
Ready.
And I got you something else to do after. You
didn't tell me this.
Well, I'm telling you now.
No.
You are going to put in a new intake filter for the STI because it's long overdue.
Okay, that seems pretty easy, so I think I can do that.
Oh, now you're making bold claims. She said it's easy. I mean, it's pretty easy, but still.
Okay, so what you... I'm excited though. I feel like it's about time that I learn how to do this.
Yes.
Not like I'll be doing it in the future by myself anyways. Let's be honest. That's what husbands are for. But...
Yeah, but what if I want to just chill and what if I want to watch you do it?
Right, then we'll just transformer this thing. Like Megan Foxine. That's what we're working with here today.
Okay. You got to do the work in the crop top.
Okay. We're back. But obviously we've been away from YouTube for a few months, but really a lot of exciting things coming on this summer, and we really want to tell you guys, but we can't.
No, we can't.
Cannot.
No.
We're not saying it.
No, we cannot. Don't say it.
No, we're not saying
Don't say it.
But I think right now it's still a little bit too far away to actually be able to announce it to you guys. But once it gets closer, we will be dropping hints, and then you guys will see what's happening. But I am super pumped. Thomas is super pumped. It is car related. It's big things related. It's STI related.
You know, right now is the kind of the time. You ever hold in a really bad fart?
Okay, Thomas.
That's what that's what it feels like right now. It's like you're like. That's what it feels like.
I don't know what that feels like.
Well, you're lying. Also, another thing that I learned today, I feel lied to, is that lattes are like 90% milk.
Okay.
And some of you probably think I'm stupid, but I don't drink coffee. I don't drink any of that. And I had no idea when she was making her latte at home that it's 90% milk. So all these times we've gone to Starbucks and paid $9 for a stupid latte, that's just 90% milk you could have gone from the grocery store and got. So I feel lied to. I feel lied to, but I learned something new today. Step one, you're gonna loosen those 12mm bolts.
I'm already teaching you how to do it.
Okay.
Step one, you gotta remove 3 bolts. So you got the back one, then you got this one on the left here, Thomas, and you got this one on the right.
See, that's why I married you.
Yeah. See, guys, you guys all thought, joke's on you. You thought Thomas is teaching me how to do it. I'm actually teaching you guys and Thomas, so joke's on you guys.
All right. Professional.
Because Thomas is the editor, so he's gonna make it seem like he's teaching me, you know? And then he's gonna name the video like, teaching my wife how to do her first oil change. Joke's on you, that's a lie.
I actually don't know what the title is gonna be, so depending on what it is, she may or may not be correct. In the meantime, if it's your first time on our channel, welcome to our channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn how to do an oil change, we did that in a previous video right in the corner here. But today, Steph's going to do it, which is nice for her to know how to do just basic maintenance on the vehicle. I think it's always helpful. It's a nice skill to have, especially on your own vehicles. So now I got Thomas doing the work because, like, you know, I can't be doing everything in this relationship. Like, you know, as a married couple, things should be even in life, and I'm always the one doing oil changes in this house. So I got Thomas working now. You know when you have that one person at school doing a group project and you do everything and they take the credit? Exactly, and that's literally how my life has felt for the past like 5-6 years. So I'm so happy that you understand how I'm feeling. Wow. Okay. Well, This is what you would have gotten all the credit for doing if you did it all.
I did all the work, as you guys saw.
I don't know. When you see
Excuse
this video,
me, one person
who did
is
all the
talking
work?
at a time. I did all the work, as you guys can see. And I think, honestly, you guys comment down below. I think it's very obvious that in this relationship, I do all the car maintenance. I always have to wash the car. I always have to gas up all the cars.
I don't know.
You're
You
just
guys-
sitting at home like a
you guys
little
comment-
princess.
You guys comment below.
I think
who's
it's
been doing
obvious. So
more
you guys
work.
comment down below, Team Stephanie, because he's just mad. Salty. Salty. You see, you guys hear that sound? It's the salt from Thomas's vibes.
Sand. What are you talking about? It's sand.
Step 3.
Loosen the oil cap.
We are loosening the cap.
Okay, do it.
No cap is what
Okay,
we're
do it.
going for.
Can you just get to work, please?
Wait, lefty loosey? Wait, that's my left. That's my left. Wait, I don't leave my
What
left.
are you doing? Left is turned this way.
This way. This way.
This way.
This
Oh, look at that. You
So-
loosened it. There
No,
you
it's because
go.
last time I was like, I just finished the workout, so I had like a pump, right?
Ah.
And so I was like doing it, and it was just super tight. But because like we didn't work out today, like the arms, there's no pump happening. So, you know what I'm saying?
Step 4.
We need to
Put
get
on
the
your
tray
gloves
and put it in
and
the
the
gloves.
tray and the gloves. Step 5.
Yeah.
Locate the drain valve, which is literally right above your forehead. Right there.
This?
No, that black giant bolt right in front of, right up. Yes, that's the drain bolt.
So this is what we're replacing.
Correct.
So if I take this off, all the oil.
Yes, so that's why you want to loosen it slightly, but not too much.
So the oil hangs out in here.
Yes, that's the oil pan. To be safe, you want to put the, I'll give you the oil tray underneath, and then you just loosen it.
I'm so scared now. Whoa.
No, other way.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, challenge. Can you do it without the oil touching your hand?
Stop. Making me nervous.
Because even I failed last time.
No. Am I getting there?
Not yet.
Can you tell?
Oh! Yeah! Failed!
Well, I didn't know it was that quick.
Well, now you know. Good job.
That was awesome.
So drain valve is out. We're just letting the oil drain out before Steph does the oil filter.
Yeah, that was pretty cool though.
While we wait for the oil to drain, might as well take a look at this.
Yeah. So, as a first time oil change, actually, just kidding. Multiple times oil changer from experience.
Hey, caught you slipping.
No one slipped. I just caught you slipping. So clearly I caught you slipping because you don't even know how freaking thick how long the boat is.
I do know.
You told me it was long and homeboy's short. Homeboy short.
You walked straight into that one.
Anyways, as a very experienced oil changer in this industry, I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't know why cars don't just come with this because I just feel like it's just so much easier.
Well, the reason I wanted you to do it so you understand what difference it makes to have that.
Yeah.
So
this will screw in there.
yes.
And then is this where it opens?
Yeah, so that's where it opens. Right now it's in the open position.
Okay, how do we close it?
And then close it, I think you gotta, so basically it's gotta go into that slot.
That slot.
I've never used this. I think you gotta press down and then slide it over.
Let's see.
So I know this clip goes on here, like once you lock it, just so that it doesn't
open?
slide open. So I think you press and then there you go.
It does turn.
And now
The little holes are open.
oh, now it's closed. So this is closed now. It's in that little slot right here, and then to open it, you just, I guess, pull, slide open.
Oh.
And there you go. So this clip is so that when the valve is closed, obviously after your oil change, I believe it goes this way. Clip it on so that it doesn't move. And then when it comes time to oil change, just take it off and then open it.
So no more dirty, oily hands.
For real. Such a game changer. The only thing I heard is that it does take longer to drain compared to obviously if you just open it.
Because it's a smaller, right, opening?
Yeah, smaller opening. But then again, I think I'd rather have the convenience and wait a little bit longer since we're doing it at home anyways than to have to get our hands all dirty. So I think this is pretty cool.
So I just cleaned all around, screwed it on, and just put the little safety pin there just in case. Just in case. But it looks pretty good.
Yeah. And from now on, no more messy oil changes. Good job. The hardest parts are done.
That was fun.
Last thing on the list, air intake filter. Wow, it's pretty dirty in there.
There's some bugs there.
We already took this one off.
And there's like lots of...
Yeah. Okay, let's clean this up and then we'll be all done.
So we're gonna do this the ratchet way.
Yeah. Faster way just to clean it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see.
Boom!
Much better. Good job, babe. We're all done.
We are.
So on a scale of 1 to 10 on difficulty level, everything we did today, what would you rate it?
I would say like a 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give it a 4.
What would be a 10? Like what have we done that's a 10?
I would say our most difficult one was probably the exhaust. But it wasn't even that like complicated.
It was just time consuming.
Right, and then I think the only other thing that was a bit complicated was when we did our lip kit. And then for the rear spats, how we couldn't put them on because we had to take the wheel off.
Yeah.
And then we were doing it at like a parking lot in Squamish. Looked amazing after, but the process of it, not fun.
No.
Not fun. Okay. And that's just because we just didn't have the proper space to do it. Because if we had the space that we have now, no problem, easy.
So 4 out of 10, that's not bad actually. I'm proud of her because that means she can do more work in the future.
Excuse me, I've been doing work, thank you so much.
I'm saying doing more work. More work. So comment down below. Maybe give Steph a nice applause. It's awesome that she knows how to do basic maintenance on the car. So on that note, thanks for watching again. We'll catch you guys and we'll see you on the next one.